G'day and welcome to the Australians Teach English YouTube channel. My name is Glenn and today I'm going to teach you the AY digraph. You can have a look here at the pictures here and you might think what these pictures all have in common. You might also think of what the AY digraph sounds like. And you might be familiar with this character from a famous TV show and one of his famous expressions, because that's what the AY digraph sounds like. Hey.
Fonz? Hey, yeah.
And I'm sure you can make the E sound yourself as well. We are actually going to get the Fonz to jump a shark by saying these words correctly. So I want you to listen to me say these words and then repeat them after me. Play. Maybe. Today. Away. Way. And stay. Good job. So what sound does the AY digraph make? That's right. It makes the A sound. What I want you to do here, I want you to read these sentences on your own. I will read them as well, and then you can have another go at repeating after me. Okay, I'm sure you did that pretty well. But listen to me say these sentences and then repeat after me. I want to play at the park today. Maybe we can have a picnic. By the way, if you don't go away, you could stay. There are many more words with the AY digraph, and you might be familiar with some of them from this famous movie, Happy Gilmore, such as hay, clay, lay, bay, may, and say. And there is a very famous scene in Happy Gilmore where he uses all of these words. You might be familiar with it. Listen to me say these sentences and then repeat them after me. How about I just go eat some hay? I could make things out of clay and lay by the bay. I just may. What do you say? Did you get that correctly? Did I get that correctly? If I didn't, you can always correct me in the comments. What about this tongue twister? Have a go at this tongue twister without me saying it, and then listen to me say it and repeat after me. But go for it first. Have a crack. All right. Amidst the hay, a playful ray made the blue jay sway and say, "Hooray!" Can you say it like that? Can you say it even quicker? Amidst the hay, a playful ray made the blue jay sway and say, "Hooray!" Maybe you could even say it even more quickly than I can. So, Australian words with the AY spelling. There aren't a lot, but I'm going to give you a chance to think of these words when they're on the screen. Have a look at these pictures and see what you think these pictures relate to. Any ideas with the first one? It's actually a place, a famous place. And you probably actually see this when you fly into Australia. It's Botany Bay. It was where the first fleet was meant to arrive, where Captain Cook said that there was fresh water and perfect place for settlement. The second picture is lay-by. This is a type of payment made in shopping centres in Australia and New Zealand. What about the third one? Well, that is a crayfish. And in Australia, we might just call that a cray. I'm sure you got the fourth one. This is probably the easiest one that I'm ever going to give you. That's right. G'day. It's a famous greeting from Australia and probably our most famous AY word. So do you know any other AY words? Leave us a comment. And if you have any corrections of mine to make, please send them on through. Until next time, see you later, guys.
For more information about the Australians Teach English Institute, go to australiansteachenglish.com or follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube at Australians Teach English.